Have you recently signed on to your QuickBooks Online only to go, what is this? Because there's been some changes. If you haven't seen them yet, you're going to see them really soon. So this is a video to help you make that transition to the new dashboard as quickly as possible. I'm Caroline Grimm. This is Accounting How To, and I help to make accounting a little less stressful. But I got to tell you, changes like this in QuickBooks is why we need emotional support dinosaurs in accounting. Okay. All right. We're going to jump into the program and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know to get you back to work so you don't have to miss a beat. Okay. We're going to start this in the old dashboard. So this is what you're used to seeing. You've got your plus new button where you're going to do all of your normal typical transactions. You've got your left navigation bar where all of the stuff that you would need to get to is. And then you've got your gear icon over here, which is going to have all of the settings and lists and things like that that you would normally be getting from those areas. So I'm going to switch now over to the new version. And now we can see that things don't look the same, right? But let's just dig into that because most of it is still the same. It just looks really different. So up here, we've got our gear icon with all of those settings and lists and the tools, our reconciling and budgeting, still in the same place. So really much of this is the same. Over here, you've got, instead of a plus new button, you've got a plus create button, but that's going to have all of the normal things that you would go here to do if you want to do a new invoice or enter a bill or do a journal entry. Those things are all still here. They're just in a slightly different place. And then we've got our left navigation bar here. It looks different, but the things are still pretty much the same. So you've got one for reports, you've got accounting, expenses, sales. So all of those things are still there. Now this up here is called an app carousel now. So all of these things are now called apps. Now I used to work at a restaurant with a revolving salad bar. So when I hear app carousel, I personally am expecting some, I don't know, jalapeno poppers. But no, apparently that does not come with this app carousel. So these are all of the things that you might typically have used your left nav bar for. Those things are still there. These are meant to be shortcuts. And just like with the old QuickBooks, you can set up shortcuts, which we're going to call create actions here. So you can customize this. If you want to add pay bills here so that you can just one click into pay bills, you can add that. So anything that you need to use on a regular basis, you can set it up as a shortcut or an action in the new QuickBooks, just like you could previously. And just like with the old version, this dashboard can be customized to show you what you want to see. Or if you don't want anybody to see your financial stuff, you can click this handy little hide button, and then nobody can see how much profit you're making. Okay, I hope that was helpful for you. For more accounting how-to videos, accountinghowto.com, or Accounting How To here on YouTube. I will see you in the next video.